has been a test of the NOAA All Hazards Weather Radio Alarm System. NOAA National Weather Service normally conducts this test every Wednesday between 11:30 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed until the next fair weather day. You will be informed between 7 a.m. and 11:30 a.m. each test day if the test will or will not be conducted. This test is conducted to give you the opportunity to ensure that your radio alarm system is in good working order. This has been a test. You are on the Marine Orland, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service at Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Fayette County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southern Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania until 3:30 p.m. At 2:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northeast of Farmington or 10 miles southeast of Connellsville, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour.